CQ, 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 DX, W2KU. Okay, welcome to Ham Shack Reviews. Today I have a quick tutorial on setting the third IPO receiver for 6, 10, and 12 meters. We're going to start with the menu, open that up, and then we're going to scroll down to preamp right here. You see I have it enabled, which you will see disabled. You want to unlock this lock by clicking on it, then you scroll to enabled, then you lock the lock again. So let's go to 10 meters. Now you see it says we're on preamp 3. Now you have a third preamp. I hope you found this helpful. Please remember to like, subscribe, and ding that bell to catch all my videos. 73, my friend.